what's up guys, it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. It's been 4 months since I posted a video on my YouTube and I'm extremely sorry about it. I was going through some personal things and I think it's time to get back to my channel, and so I'm here. And this is present Larissa. That means this is 2022, but today I'm taking you back to the past. Back to 2021 when I shot for this really amazing Netflix series called Eternally Confused and Eager for Love, and I'm going to take you through the BTS of the whole shoot, and it's going to be exciting. Hey guys, it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is from the 2nd of February and I am about to go on set. I am about to go to act. Yes, this video is dedicated to my debut in this Netflix web series called Eternally Confused and Eager for Love, and I'm so grateful that I can do this. So I have always loved acting, but I don't pursue it that much because I'm actually very busy with my own things and it leaves me no time. But I have been auditioning for I think the past 5 years now, not for this role, but like time and again whenever I get the chance, and whenever there is an opportunity, I make sure that I don't leave that opportunity. We never should. So this one's for that, and this is 5 years of auditioning for little roles here and there. If you're unaware, I've done a few gigs sometimes, like I've done an ad or 2 or 3, and I've done little roles here and there. And this one is also not like a lead role. There's actually no lead role in this web series. There's only a lead male, but I have like a very small role and I'm still fine about it. Yeah, it's going to be exciting. I've actually shot 2 days already, and this is the 3rd day in Feb, and I'm excited. So I'm going to take you on set and I'm going to make you meet my co-actors, or whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, co-actors, and it's going to be fun. Today's call time is 9 a.m. and I'm about to reach the location. I'll see you there. Okay, so my character in the web series is Priyanka, and can I put you in the vlog? I look horrible. And this is Himanshi, who's been coordinating with me like all this while. And now I'm gonna get into the van. Okay, so this is my vanity. Okay, although I have like a little role, I'm still happy that I get the vanity for myself, and I don't have to share it with anybody. I shouldn't be actually, because it's COVID times. Anyway, I'm quite excited for this one. It's 8:30 and I've just returned like 2 days ago from my Maldives trip, and it's been hectic. So I look super tired, super unfit. I've eaten all kinds of food and a lot of alcohol. So need to get back to routine soon. So Rukshat is doing my makeup. She did my makeup for the first 2 days and she is brilliant at her job.
Thank you.
She gives me this really glowy skin and really beautiful eyes. And one very stupid thing I have observed, and a little bit of TMI, is that she smells amazing.
Okay.
I don't want to make this awkward.
That's a good thing. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm kind of ready. We're going for rehearsals on set, and this is my dress. It's very unlike me, this character. South Bombay girl. Himanshi, this way. Okay. So we are at the shoot location right now. I'm not putting this up, okay? Like it will go up like later, like when the series is out. Guys, so we are on set and these are my friends. No,
Going to be friends.
going to be friends, yeah. Co-actors. This is Kajol, this is Devika. And we are at a nightclub. They've done a lot of nightclub scenes already. This is my second one from that day. And it's quite a scene here. I think there are more than 200 people. Yeah? Yeah. And yeah, I have like an issue with my dress because it keeps showing my stuff inside, but that's about it. That's the only problem I have. But today I'm liking my outfit a lot. We just did a rehearsal and I did not say my lines. And I have a very big monologue, by the way. Actually, it's just 2 words. I just have to say "excuse me," and that's my only line. So when I was in the makeup room, Himanshi got me a sheet of my lines. I'm like, dude, it's just excuse me. Why are you getting me a sheet of all the lines?
Yeah, like, do this acting exercise where you say the same line in 3-4 different words.
Exactly, that's what I did.
Do it. Let's do excuse me.
Excuse me. And then there's excuse me.
Next.
Then there's excuse me.
Okay,
I don't know, which one should I do?
I don't think the last one was no, please let's not.
This is for my vlog, by the way.
this is not my vlog. This is just to bother everyone.
Only got videos. Wait, I will also.
all take all of.
Everybody is also following. This is how.
पीछे पीछे मेरा जल भी नहीं यार एक साथ मेरा लौंग का बच्चा
I'm so sure this is the video. Bitch. Go.
When you're done with your shot, you're going to take the lime and you're going to do the lime part after the tequila. Komal, you will take lime after tequila, and Ria, you will have lime after tequila. Okay, yeah, just put it here.
Actually, can you guys airdrop me everything you've taken?
Hello?
Please?
Hello? अबे खोलना दरवाजा. Hello? I want to introduce you to someone. Maybe you've heard of her.
That's me.
Dun, dun,
Sahib, say hi to my vlog. I can't see you. Can you like? Whoa, what light? Say hi to my vlog. The 9th is the 8th of Feb, and today's shoot location is the Taj Mahal tea shop. Yeah, in Bandra, and it's quite a cool place. I've been here before, and I'm just excited for today. Everyone, so it's the 14th of Feb, and today, tomorrow we shoot, tomorrow and day after we shoot for the episode, but today we have dance rehearsals, and this is my first ever dance rehearsal, like for something that's real, and it's going to be exciting, so I'm going to take you in. Yay! Why you guys not dancing?
I don't wanna.
So this is, I think this is the second last day of a shoot for me, and we are at this beautiful location. It's oh, you're on my vlog now.
They'll cue you, but basically
He doesn't like to be on camera.
Naina. Ray and Naina walk in. Naina and Komal go to that side, Ray and Rhea on this side. You come, you jump on Ray from behind you.
That's the director.
She hugs him as well. And then you all settle in between the two. Cool. You closer to Ray.
And this is the beautiful location. It says Priyanka and Varunika's love. So cheesy, but that's what the characters are, like super cheesy, and I think they're in love. I don't know. Yeah, they are. And I think it's a very gorgeous set today because it's my engagement. It's Priyanka plus Varun. We are on set all decked up. Look at them, so cute. So this is the dress I'm wearing. I think it's a beautiful dress by Zara Umrikar. I love her dresses. I've worn one in London before, and makeup is very unlike me, but that's what Priyanka would do for her engagement, I guess. And it's such a beautiful dress. I can't wait to see what this would look like on camera.
We are shooting ECEL for Netflix, which will be out in about 8 to 10 months. It's produced by Excel Tiger Baby, and it's about a guy going through life trying to find love.
And he ends up with Koma.
That girl over there. Yeah.
Guys, अभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है यार. Come on, let's go. Can't hold more long. Now just I seriously can't hold longer, guys. Come on, let's go. 2 seconds. Just flip your head.
नहीं यार, मुझे नहीं आता नाच.
ए बकवास करती है. Are you feeling me tonight? Are you feeling me tonight? Bang bang. But I got a really good video of you.
Yeah. Hello, beautiful.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh my god.
So it's a wrap for all of us. Even though it was like a few days, I feel really sad to leave these guys and go back home. It's a sad day, but we've had a very tiring day. It's 5:30 in the morning.
Dancing like a fucking maniac.
Yep. But it's been so nice. Look at this. This one's for me.
Wait, where is that?
So these are our characters, and that's why my character is Priyanka. क्या पी रहे हो?
Champagne.
हमारे ड्रिंक्स हैं, ये हमारे पीपल हैं, और यहाँ हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
हमारी wrap up हो रही है.
Always taking videos.
That's why.